Can we reset Facebook default setting? Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. And without further ado, let's get started. If you want to really know if we can reset Facebook default settings or not, then the answer is simply no. But there were alternative way in order to reset this Facebook default setting. Step 1. You need to uninstall Facebook app. For that, long press on Facebook and tap on install. Tap on install. And after that, you need to open Google Play Store, or if you are using iOS device, then open App Store. Search Facebook, tap install and install Facebook application again. Once it's installed, tap on open button and log into your account. After that, this will reset the application to its original state and any default setting will be restored. So, if you only need to adjust a specific setting, you can navigate to setting and privacy section within the app and manually tweak them. But for a clean slate, you need to uninstall and reinstall method is the best option. And that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.